Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. It is Monday morning here. It is the 20th of September 2021. Guys, this year has absolutely flown. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel, guys. The community is growing every day and I really appreciate it. So if you're new to this channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing, be it through cryptos, dividend stocks, talking about finance, building financial freedom. And my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along on this incredible journey. If everyone could smash that like button down there, it would really help me in this channel. And if you can watch this video straight through, it would recommend to a lot more people and I would appreciate it, guys. So thank you very much. Make sure you hit that like button down there. Give it a good old thumbs up. All right, little disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and due diligence. It's very important with this stuff. I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. Jump on all the websites like I've recommended in every one of these videos, guys. Will really help you get confident before jumping into investing in, especially cryptos. All right, I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. You can lose your money like that in cryptocurrencies, and I do not want to see that happen. Please, please, please take the time to do your own research and due diligence. Don't take what I say as financial advice, all right? Please be careful. All right, guys, now that the formalities are out of the way, I'm going back to my favorite cryptocurrency, and everyone knows it's XRP because I'm very bullish on this. It is the one cryptocurrency that has got literally partners with every major bank around the world. It is going after institutions, hedge funds. It's changing the way that we are going to transact money globally and be used as a bridge currency for all financial institutions, right? Now, obviously, my personal opinion about this is obviously the fact that this crypto is now getting the attention of the SEC, which there's this case that's going on at the moment, and I've got my suspicions that the SEC really is hammering Ripple XRP because they know the impact that this project is going to have on the financial markets. They know how much money is going to be transacted through XRP Ripple. It's going to be in the trillions of dollars. It is unbelievable to think that, but it is going to happen. It is already happening now, obviously, even with this case going on. So it's only a matter of time before the price of the coin itself will go parabolic. Obviously, if there is a settlement or something happens or a win or a victory for Ripple in this case. But I just want to go through some interesting stuff in relation to the news and just some facts that I've been looking through again. But before we get into that, I just want to show you my CoinSpot account. I'm going to go through my favorite cryptos to see what the prices are doing today. Yes, it's in Australian dollars. Okay, so for those of you who are new to cryptocurrencies in Australia, please feel free to use the referral link below. You can get $10 in Bitcoin if you sign up. Both of us can. If not, it's all good, but Bitcoin's only going to go up in value. We all know this. So Bitcoin's sitting at 65,000 AUD today. Ethereum, $4,600. Cardano, $3.15. BNB, $571. XRP's at $1.44. Guys, I haven't seen it at this price for a while, so I am going to be adding more this week. Dollar cost averaging, of course, so I just slowly add each week to my position. Solana's $210. Polkadot, $46. Dogecoin, 32 cents. Keep scrolling down here. Avalanche is actually $96. It's gone up, which is interesting. Let's keep scrolling down here. Stellar XLM, 43 cents. Tron is 14 cents. VeChain, very bullish on that, 14 cents at the moment. Theta, $8.37. Keep scrolling down here. Hedera, 54 cents. It is down 7% today, so it's quite a bit. Neo's down to $66. Shiba Inu's up today, which is surprising. Keep scrolling down here. I just want to check my other one here, which is XDC. It is down to 15 cents. So everything's at a great buying opportunity to dollar cost averaging, and it's quite quiet at the moment because it's Monday morning and obviously it's Sunday around the rest of the world. Nevertheless, so basically my reasoning for XRP is this, right? So check this out. I was just curious to see what the volume and amount of money transacted through Swift would be. And obviously this is going back in 2018, so almost doubling. $40 trillion transferred in 2018. Swift's transmission of $77 trillion in cross-border payments messages over the GPI platform during 2019 implies that demand for the program is becoming entrenched in the bank-to-bank space. $77 trillion. Let that sink in for a minute. That obviously transacts through Swift. Now, we all know that Ripple XRP is aiming to be used as a bridge with regards to Swift. This is going to replace the old dinosaur system. $77 trillion. Guys, the entire crypto market is sitting at $2.8 trillion. So think about that for a moment. XRP transacting that kind of amount of money is going to obviously determine a very high price for XRP Ripple. And for those who are obviously a part of the ISO 222, and that is obviously, another factor as well. XDC, SinFin is a part of this, as well as XRP. These two cryptos are going to go parabolic. If this case settles with the SEC guys, it will go parabolic. There's no question about that. It is clear that there is a substantial amount of money that transacts through SWIFT on a yearly basis, guys. $77 trillion in 2018. That's mind-blowing. So that's just one part of what this, project is obviously aiming for. So obviously, if we go to the ISO 222, guys, so basically what is it? So ISO 222 is an ISO standard electronic data interchange between financial institutions. It describes metadata repository containing descriptions and messages and business processes, and is a maintenance process for repository content. The standard covers financial information transferred between financial institutions that includes payment transactions, securities trading and settlement information, credit card and debit card transactions, and other financial information. That's just one, SWIFT is just one part of all of this. So $77 trillion in 2019 was just one part. You've got here financial institutions. That's obviously, so you've got securities trading, you've got settlement information, you've got credit and debit card transactions, and other financial information, guys. This is ridiculous to think how big these two projects will be, especially with XRP. And you can see here ISO 222 is widely used financial services. Organizations participating in the ISO 222 include Ripple, Fixed Protocol Limited, Financial Information Exchange, ISDA, ISITC, OMGEO, SWIFT, and Visa. So guys, obviously that this is going to be happening in the future. We are so early in this, it just blows my mind to think that people are still saying, XRP is not going to go anywhere, it's not going to hit anywhere to those prices. This is why the government is attacking Ripple. In my opinion, this is the reason why, because they know that if people are, stand to make a substantial amount of money, with XRP, they're going after this because they're trying to hinder this process, which we all know it's not a security. They didn't need the capital in relation to building out the ledger. It was already built through funding. There's a fire truck in the back there. Anyway, it was already raised through, funding rounds. Obviously, we know that the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation invested into this. You've got the Bank of England, which invested into Ripple before it went public. This ledger was already built out before all this stuff came to light, guys. But nevertheless, so we got here, this is from Goldman Sachs. Now, there was a patent that Goldman Sachs have also secured as well with Ripple. I've been looking at every YouTuber and all the news, and obviously this is a note from one of the the investment bankers there at Goldman Sachs. Ripple will redefine online payments, and I believe that Ripple XRP will likely IPO and go public once the SEC lawsuit is resolved. Now, if it goes IPO with regards to Ripple, they start launching an IPO. Think about that, what's going to do to the project as well. Mind-blowing. And obviously this is the Goldman Sachs patent here. And Goldman Sachs has filed a patent to use XRP for transaction validation. That is mind-blowing as well, guys. King Solomon, incredible YouTuber, and great information there. So he's actually found that they're going to be using XRP as a validation for transactions. It's just crazy stuff, man. To think that we're so early into all of this, guys. It's only a matter of time before prices go parabolic. So take that as you will. I just, keep saying and reiterating to everyone on this channel, we are so early in cryptocurrencies, guys. Like less than 2% of the world's population is using cryptocurrencies, and we as retail investors are not regulated, and we have the opportunity, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Obviously, you need to do your research. Don't take what I say as financial advice, but we, as the retail investors, have an opportunity and the upper hand for once in a lifetime before all the corporations and banks and institutions are able to invest in cryptocurrencies in general. So take that as you will, but this is a golden opportunity that I'm personally taking advantage of. Dollar cost averaging into all my crypto projects, my favorites, and I'll show you my portfolio in a minute, but we are so ahead of everything, guys. It's just crazy stuff, and I'm not worried about there being an end of a bull run or whatnot, because there will be another bull run, there will be another bear market. It's just a matter of sticking with it, investing, dollar cost averaging, and staying in it long term. This is my plan. I'm not expecting to be a multi-millionaire in the next 5 days or by the end of the year. This is a long-term play, as well as my dividend stock portfolio, guys. So long-term, We are early. Nevertheless, let's just go into my coin market cap, guys. And again, market cap today in the cryptos is 2.8 trillion. Obviously, 24-hour trading volume has been $114 billion, guys, so a lot of money. BTC is still sitting at 42% market dominance, and Ethereum is 18%. Cryptocurrencies, there's 11,000 of them, so the market today is down. In the last 7 days, guys, it is still up, the entire market. 30 days, it is all over the place. 90 days, it is still up in the green. And in the last year, it is still up in the green. And that's what I like to look at. You zoom out, you're not focusing on the, the hills and, mountains or whatever it is. Just focus out. Look at the long-term picture of this, guys. Anyway, let's have a look at my portfolio today. I'm going to open this up. Okay, so my portfolio, Bitcoin is down 2.8%. Cardano is down 6.3%. XRP is down 5.57% today. I'm going to open this up. It's sitting at $1.40 AUD. 24 hours. Let's just wait for this. It's still down 4.52% in these last 7 days. Down 7.16%. 30 days down 20%, 90 days, well, if you keep looking at that, still up 68%. In the last year, it is up 336%. That's what I like to look at long term. All right, so let's keep going down. Dogecoin is down today, Stellar's down, Tron is down, VeChain, Theta, Hedera, Neo, Shiba Inu is up 1.13%, which is surprising. BTT is down, AMP is down, Holochain is down, Theta Fuel 4.455%. Excuse me, XTC is down 7.86%. Definitely want to dollar cost average into. Talcoin is down today. SIA, Digibyte, ANKR, XYO. I've seen a price prediction of this, and I'm not sure, if it's true or not, but I've seen something that it, will hit around the $5 mark. Now, if that does that, that's going to be pretty life-changing for a lot of people, I can assure you of that. But $5 mark is the price prediction that I've heard. Don't quote me on that, but I've seen it flying around the internet. $5 price prediction. So anyway, I'm definitely holding this long term for sure, and it's incredible to see that it's still up 7,000% in the last year, guys. Mind-blowing stuff. So XYO, Constellation, DAG, obviously I added this yesterday, like I mentioned in my video. This is an incredible project, and obviously it is partnered with the USAF, so the United States Air Force. Incredible project, utility. Very early, guys, so it's a long-term play. Win is down 5.78%. VThor, Reef, definitely bullish on that. Going to be adding to that because I've heard, again, predictions in the dollars. Long-term, guys, long-term in the dollars. So, $1 to $2, thereabouts. Ecomi, great project. Love the VV app. Oh, I'm not going to mention that name because that pisses me off. Electronium, Acropolis now, and the rest of them there, guys. So that's my entire portfolio. I was just wanting to show again that obviously now that we are so early in cryptocurrencies, guys, XRP is going to be a game changer if this case, settles or it just gets dismissed and Ripple has a win. Fingers crossed, because it's going to be life-changing. This coin will go parabolic. I believe that. The partners with this project are ridiculous. The utility is out of control. It's unbelievable. It's just one of these sleepers at the moment. It's the only one that hasn't gone parabolic in the market. It's just remained like a stable coin for the last few months. We are waiting for this case to settle. Let me know in the comments below, guys. We'll talk about it. But $77 trillion went through SWIFT in 2019. Let that sink in. All right? Stay safe, guys. Peace. Bye.